Hello friends, welcome to today's artificial intelligence class, and in this class we will see the bidirectional search, and this is one of the important search that will come under uninformed searching strategy from first unit problem solving. Before this we have seen the breadth first search, uniform cause search, depth first search, depth limited search and iterative deepening search, and in this video we are going to see the last one, bidirectional searching strategy, in detail. Bidirectional search. Bidirectional searches means two searches will be there and those two searches will start simultaneously, and one from starting state to goal state and another is from goal state to starting state, and two searches will meet at one point, and this point is called as middle point. Okay, once the middle point reached, then the program will stop with success message. Okay, and the both searches meet at the middle. Once it reaches the middle, then the program will get terminated with the success message and the solution will find more quickly, that is the time requirement is only half. And this is the bidirectional search. Our starting state is here. Okay, from here the searching will be taken place and that will go towards the goal state. Okay, the gray color is forward searching starting from start to goal, and the next one is goal state, and this is the goal state, and from goal state another searching will start and that will go backwards towards the starting state, that is goal state to start state. Okay, and at any one point both the searching will meet and this point is called as middle point. Okay, once that meet the middle point the searching will stop with the success. Okay, so this is called as bidirectional search. Both search forward from initial state and backwards from goal state will start simultaneously and that will stop when that reach the middle point. And right, the motivation here is the time requirement is b power d by 2 plus b power d by 2, which is much less than b power d. So it is very much optimal and it can be implemented by using breadth first search or iterative deepening search, but at least one frontier need to be kept in memory, and it works well only when there are unique start state and unique goal state. There should be only one start state and only one goal state. This is start and this is goal. Okay, then only this algorithm will work effectively, otherwise it will get failed. And next let us come to the performance analysis of this particular algorithm. First one is complete. This algorithm is complete if only a single start state and single goal state, otherwise it is difficult. And time complexity b power d by 2, that is order of b power d by 2. This is very much better when compared to the previous algorithms. And space complexity is also order of b power 2, and sometimes the space requires more. And optimal, yes, this is optimal, but it is not always optimal even if both searches are BFS. Okay, when if there are more than one goal state, then this is not optimal. And check when each node is expanded or selected for expression. That means we have to check all the nodes from start state and all the nodes from goal state unnecessarily, because only few nodes are required to reach this start or goal. Bidirectional search is one of the best searching algorithm in uninformed searching strategy. And if you have any doubt, you can give your query in the comment box, and also you can give your suggestion in the comment box. In the next class, we will see the greedy best first algorithm. Thank you.